Just a quick video to help anyone who's found after reassembling their shock on their Freelander that low speed driving you get an annoying rattling sound, which is what I found. I just replaced the spring on mine, and this is the new plate that came with the bearing assembly. And you see, if you look down that hole, see the thickness of the plate inside there compared to the Land Rover original. There, it's quite hard to see from the video, but trust me, it's about twice as thick. The difference between the two plates, they look almost identical in every other way, and this is the right part for, apparently, for the car. But yeah, it was just preventing that shock nut from seating fully, so it was causing this low speed rattling sound. Yeah, so I hope that helps.